Hello friends, let's learn 50 essential kitchen vocabulary words with videos. Stove. Stove. This is a stove. This is a stove. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. Sink. Sink. This is a sink. This is a sink. Spoon. Spoon. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. Fork. Fork. This is a fork. This is a fork. Knife. Knife. This is a knife. This is a knife. Plate. Plate. This is a plate. This is a plate. Bowl. Bowl. This is a bowl. This is a bowl. Cup. Cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. Glass. Glass. This is a glass. This is a glass. Frying pan. Frying pan. This is a frying pan. This is a frying pan. Pot. Pot. This is a pot. This is a pot. Kettle. Kettle. This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Microwave. Microwave. This is a microwave. This is a microwave. Toaster. Toaster. This is a toaster. This is a toaster. Blender. Blender. This is a blender. This is a blender. Cutting board. Cutting board. This is a cutting board. This is a cutting board. Apron. Apron. This is an apron. This is an apron. Dish rack. Dish rack. This is a dish rack. This is a dish rack. Trash can. Trash can. This is a trash can. This is a trash can. Mixer. Mixer. This is a mixer. This is a mixer. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. Grater. Grater. This is a grater. This is a grater. Peeler. Peeler. This is a peeler. This is a peeler. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. This is a measuring cup. This is a measuring cup. Oven mitt. Oven mitt. This is an oven mitt. This is an oven mitt. Napkin. Napkin. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. Dish. Dish. This is a dish. This is a dish. Spatula. Spatula. This is a spatula. This is a spatula. Tray. Tray. This is a tray. This is a tray. Tongs. Tongs. These are tongs. These are tongs. Whisk. Whisk. This is a whisk. This is a whisk. Lid. Lid. This is a lid. This is a lid. Colander. Colander. This is a colander. This is a colander. Pantry. Pantry. This is a pantry. This is a pantry. Counter. Counter. This is a counter. This is a counter. Cabinet. Cabinet. This is a cabinet. This is a cabinet. Drawer. Drawer. This is a drawer. This is a drawer. Dish soap. Dish soap. This is dish soap. This is dish soap. Tea kettle. Tea kettle. This is a tea kettle. This is a tea kettle. Recipe book. Recipe book. This is a recipe book. This is a recipe book. Bread box. Bread box. This is a bread box. This is a bread box. Ice tray. Ice tray. This is an ice tray. This is an ice tray. Jug. Jug. This is a jug. This is a jug. Sponge. Sponge. This is a sponge. This is a sponge. Strainer. Strainer. This is a strainer. This is a strainer.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Kiddo's Knowledge World.
Kiddo's Knowledge World.